Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the third session of the day, the last day of Atal FDP on drug discovery and design in 21st century. So, like this session, as per AICT mandate, for all Atal FDPs, one session has to be conducted with respect to a life, and I think we couldn't have got a better speaker than Miss Atika Dandia is there from Art of Living. So I would request my colleague, Dr. Shilpa Sharma, to introduce the host, speaker, sorry. So Dr. Shilpa.
Thank you, Dr. Yatendra. So it is a great privilege to introduce Ms. Atika Dandia. She's a yoga and meditation expert, a transformational executive coach and image branding consultant, also a TEDx speaker. She has also been appointed by Ministry of Ayush to promote yoga and wellness in India and abroad. Her skill lies in understanding the human mind and teaching people the art of being happy, balanced, and energetic. She's also an international faculty member and director training for the Art of Living Foundation, one of the biggest NGOs focused on humanitarian work spanning more than 155 countries. Under their impactful programs, she has transformed the lives of tens of thousands of people all over the world. She has taught and trained in more than 30 plus countries and done over 10,000 plus hours of training. And I have also personally attended her sessions, and they have been indeed rejuvenating and refreshing sessions. So looking forward to her session here also. Atika, I will hand over to you. You'll have to unmute, yeah.
Yes, thank you so much, Shilpa, for the warm introduction. And it's a great pleasure and honor to be here amongst all of you. I know the time is 2 o'clock, and have you all had your lunch? just raise your hands if you've had your lunch. So there is an icon, reactions. If you've had your lunch, just go to the reaction and raise your hands. So 2 people have had lunch. Who else? 4. Okay, mostly everyone has had lunch. Now, depending on what you had for lunch, I will not ask you that, don't worry. Might be chole bhature and so on and so forth. Keeping the time in mind, I have kept the session very, very light. And since we just have about 45, 50 minutes together, I want the session to be really, really impactful for you, practical for you, so that you can use it beyond the Zoom room, okay? Those of you who feel you can you please switch on your cameras? Yeah, it'll be very nice because I've kept the session very interactive, very light, and yet I want you all to take a lot from it.
So Dr. Yatendra, can you disable that setting?
I'm doing that, yeah.
So now you can switch on your cameras, those who want to.
Thank you, Akhilesh. Thank you, Arun. Thank you so much. Thank you, Rajni, Archana, Rashmi. I would have actually called you sir and ma'am. But in this session, I want you all to feel young. Yeah, so I will not go for these adjectives. So shall we keep the medium of communication English, or should I do English and Hindi? What is the better idea, Shilpa?
Ma'am, we can English both. So if anyone has problem with Hindi, they can write it here.
Both. Okay. Anilji is saying both. All right. Great. So in today's session, I'm going to address mainly 2 things for you all. Number one, I have, because of the challenging times that we are going through, the pandemic times that we are going through, I want to address the lung health for you. Okay. obviously because lung is a major organ which is responsible for corona going out of hand, and that is corona is impacting the lungs the most. And lung is also a major detoxifying organ of the body. Okay. So number one, we will address the lung health. And number two, I will address mental health. So 3 to 5% of the population of India has been impacted with COVID, but more than 40 to 50% have been impacted by depression through COVID. And they will become responsible for the third wave, which the doctors are predicting. Yeah. So what happens, what do I mean by that is that if you are if you are anxious, you are fearful, you cannot handle your mind in these situations, then your immunity will go down. Yeah. And when the immunity goes down, you become prone to catch the disease. Right? So that is the reason I wanted to give you tips a few minutes. Then I will take you to through a practical session, yeah, where I will tell you how to strengthen the lungs. Okay. And then I will take you for another practical session of about, say, 10 minutes as to how to strengthen the mental capacity. Yeah. In the end, I will open this session for question and answers. Yeah. Is that okay? Is that a good idea, everybody? And that's why I wanted you to keep the cameras open, because if I'm going to teach you something, then probably I can look at you and guide you and tell you whether you're doing it right or wrong. That was the only reason why I was telling you. Yeah. तो हम दो चीजें करने वाले हैं, एक तो हम अपनी लंग हेल्थ को देखने वाले हैं, या, और दूसरा हमारे मेंटल हेल्थ को, बिकॉज दोनों चीजें आज के इस युग में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. लंग हेल्थ ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज कोरोना हमको इम्पैक्ट कर रहा है, और मेंटल हेल्थ इसलिए कि 3 से 4% पॉपुलेशन कोरोना से इम्पैक्टेड है, लेकिन 40 से 50% मेंटली इम्पैक्टेड है कोविड के कारण. या कोविड के कारण हम सब इतने दुखी हैं, हेल्पलेस हैं, इतनी ज्यादा एंजाइटी लेवल्स बढ़ गए हैं, डिप्रेशन में आ गए हैं, अपने आसपास के घर में जो हो रहा है, कम्युनिटी में जो हो रहा है उसको देख के. पहली वेव में ऐसा नहीं था, दूसरी वेव में कोरोना घर तक आ गया, तो इसके कारण मेंटल डिप्रेशन बहुत हो गया है, जिसके कारण इम्यूनिटी पे इम्पैक्ट पड़ सकता है. या तो इन दोनों चीजों को आज हम देखने वाले हैं, और अंत में वी विल प्रश्न उत्तर का एक सेशन रखेंगे. अगर आप कुछ पूछना चाहते हैं, यू आर मोस्ट वेलकम टू आस्क. राइट? ओके. नाउ टेल मी, व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट लंग हेल्थ, ओके, व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट कम्स टू योर माइंड जब आप सुनते हो शब्द लंग की हेल्थ, फेफड़ों का की आपका हेल्थ, तो सबसे पहली चीज दिमाग में क्या आती है? प्लीज राइट इट इन द चैट बॉक्स. What is the first thing that comes to your mind when you listen to the word lung health? Archana is saying breathing. Harshita is saying breath. Dr. Amin Ul Monan is saying oxygen. Yes, absolutely. You're 100% right. So now, do you know, एक दिन में हम सब करीब 2 से 4 किलो तक खाना खा लेते हैं. 2 to 4 kgs of food we consume in a day. Yeah. एक दिन में. एक ही दिन में हम 4 से 5 लीटर पानी पी लेते हैं. आपको पता है ऑक्सीजन कितनी लेते हैं, ब्रीदिंग कितनी करते हैं एक दिन में? Does anybody know? How much oxygen? ऑक्सीजन लेवल हम कितना लेते हैं एक दिन में? 3 से 4 किलो खाना खा लिया. अगर पंजाब के हैं और नॉर्थ इंडिया के तो 6 किलो भी खा सकते हैं एक दिन में, या, लेकिन पानी हम 4 से 5 लीटर पी सकते हैं. ऑक्सीजन कितना कंज्यूम करते हो ये बताओ आप. जस्ट टेक अ वाइल्ड गेस. नो नेगेटिव मार्किंग इन माय सेशन. टेक अ वाइल्ड गेस. 11,000 liters, 10,000 liters, 5 lakh liters. Any other answer? 12,000 liters. Any other answer? कितना ऑक्सीजन लेते होंगे? कोई भी फिगर डालो, क्या सोचते हो कितना लेते होंगे दिन भर में? 500 liters. Any other answer? Anyone else? Come on, guys, let's interact with each other. 6 to 7 milliliter per minute. तो ये कितना हो गया? No idea, Harshita is saying. Okay. All right. So let me tell you the answer. Some of you are right. It is 10 to 12,000 liters per day. इतनी ऑक्सीजन हम अंदर लेते हैं. Yeah. Now, when I say the word oxygen, yes, the other word which comes to my mind, which I want to introduce to you, is the word called prana. प्राण शब्द सुना है आपने? What do you mean by the word prana? प्राणा का मतलब क्या होता है? Anyone? What does the word prana mean? Life, life, life. Akhilesh is also saying life. Breath. Okay. So prana is not the breath, because if I ask you not to breathe for 1 minute, आप मरने वाले नहीं हो. अगर मैं आपसे कहूं 1 मिनट के लिए सांस रोक लो, आप मरोगे नहीं. लेकिन अगर प्राण निकल गए, that means you are gone. So prana is not your breath. It is something subtler than your breath. आपकी सांसों से सूक्ष्म है आपके प्राण. Got it? इसको अगर हम और एक्सप्लेन करें, आपने देखा होगा आपके जीवन में कई ऐसे लोग हैं जो दिन भर काम करते हैं, रात को आएंगे, कहेंगे आपसे चलो लेट्स गो फॉर अ ड्राइव, चलो पान खाने चलते हैं, चलो ये करते हैं, चलो वो करते हैं. आप उनकी राह देखते हो कि वो घर कब आएंगे और घर में फिर से रौनक कब आएगी. वो किसी भी पार्टी में जाते हैं, दे आर द सेंटर ऑफ अट्रैक्शन. आप जब बहुत लो फील कर रहे होते हो, आप उनके पास जाके बैठना चाहते हो. क्यों? क्योंकि उनकी प्राणा लेवल बहुत बहुत हाई रहती है ऑल द टाइम. ओके, ये है फर्स्ट कैटेगरी ऑफ पीपल. अच्छा, आप में से कितने लोगों के जीवन में ऐसे लोग हैं, जरा बताएंगे? टाइप चैट बॉक्स में टाइप करें यस. अगर आपके जीवन में ऐसे लोग हैं तो यस टाइप करें जल्दी से. क्विकली टाइप इन अ यस इफ यू नो सच पीपल whose prana level is very very high. आपके घर में, ऑफिस में. Yes, and also myself. Lovely, Rajni. Yes. Kids, yes, absolutely, Dr. Amin. Always high prana. Yes. Anybody else? आप जिनको जानते हो तो yes टाइप करो. अगर आज ऐसे लोगों को आप जानते हो. Okay, yes. Lot of yeses are coming. What about the rest of you? Come on, type in something. Shelly is also saying yes. Yes, yes, yes. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Yes. So ये लोग हैं हमारे जीवन में जिनकी प्राण शक्ति हमेशा हाई रहती है. Another second category of people in our life. ये तो पहली कैटेगरी होगी जिनको देख के लगता है अरे वाह कब घर आएंगे, रौनक आ गई इनके आने से. और दूसरी कैटेगरी कैसे होती है? जिनका अगर सवेरे सवेरे चेहरा देख लो तो क्या लगता है, ओ माय गॉड तेरा पूरा दिन बर्बाद जाएगा, ये कब घर से जाएंगे. यस, somebody is written, ये कब घर से जाएंगे, हम वेट करते हैं, राइट. और कब ऑफिस नहीं आएंगे, ये वेट करते हैं. तो ऐसा क्या करते हैं ये लोग जो हमको पसंद नहीं आता? कोई बताएगा? What do these people do जो हमको पसंद नहीं आता? डिस्करेज करते हैं. और क्या करते हैं? नेगेटिव एनर्जी थ्रो करते हैं. और क्या करते हैं? What do you mean negative energy? Keep nagging. Yes. और क्या करते हैं? इग्नोर करते हैं. और क्या करते हैं? लो फील कराते हैं. कैसे लो फील कराते हैं? क्या क्या कह के लोग फील कराते हैं? What are they doing all the time? What are they doing all the time जो आपको पसंद नहीं आता, जिनको देखते ही आपको लगता है भागो यहाँ से? No appreciation. Absolutely. They keep complaining about everything. Yeah, they're all the time complaining, cribbing. ये ठीक नहीं है, वो ठीक नहीं, तुमने ऐसे किया, तुमने वैसे. उनको हर चीज में खोट नजर आती है. नोटिस किया है? तो आप उनको सवेरे सवेरे देखते हो, आपको लगता है यार भागो यहाँ से, अभी मैंने दिन का काम भी शुरू नहीं किया, अगर इनसे माथा लगाना पड़ गया तो मेरा पूरा दिन बर्बाद जाएगा। तो आज से इन लोगों को ब्लेम करना बंद कर। जानते हैं क्यों? Why they behave the way they behave? उनकी प्राणा लेवल हमेशा लो रहती है। प्राणा मतलब ची, एनर्जी, ऑल द टाइम इज लो। और आप नोटिस करना, आप भी ऐसे ही बिहेव करते हो जिस दिन आप भी उतना ही क्रेव एंड कंप्लेन करते हो जब आप बहुत लो फील करते हो। ओके, तो इस प्राण शब्द में अगर मैं एक और वर्ड ऐड कर दूं, प्राणा के साथ एक और वर्ड मैं ऐड कर रही हूं जिसका नाम है यामा। यामा मीन्स डायरेक्टिंग एंड कंट्रोलिंग। So directing and controlling of your energy levels, of your prana levels is called pranayama. प्राणों को आयाम देना, एक डायरेक्शन देना, इसी को प्राणायाम कहते हैं। इसी को आजकल वेस्टर्न वर्ल्ड में ब्रेथ वर्क कह के बहुत ज्यादा प्रचलित किया जा रहा है। ये हमारे यहाँ से ही निकला है, राइट? तो ये प्राणायाम है। इसमें क्या, ये टेक्निक क्या है? प्राणों, अगर प्राण आपके नीचे चले गए हैं, आप बहुत लो फील कर रहे हो, क्रिब कर रहे हो, कंप्लेन कर रहे हो, तो पहले प्राण शक्ति को उठाना ये टेक्निक से, और फिर उसको मेंटेन कर। तो अगर आप 5-6 मिनट भी कोई भी तरीके का ये प्राणायाम या ब्रेथ वर्क सीख जाते हो तो पूरा दिन आपका बहुत ज्यादा प्रोडक्टिव रहने वाला है। इसको आप ट्राई करके देखें, ठीक है? तो आज मैंने आपके लिए जो 2 या 3 प्राणायाम चूज किए हैं, वो मैंने ऐसे प्राणायाम चूज किए हैं जिसमें आपके पेट को हिलाना नहीं पड़ेगा, क्योंकि अभी खाना खाया ना, तो मैंने ऐसा कुछ चूज किया कि सिर्फ आपको बहुत रिलैक्स्ड फील होगा, या पेट को ज्यादा एफर्ट नहीं डालना पड़ेगा, हिलाना नहीं पड़ेगा, और जो भी ये प्राणायाम है आपको और विश्राम देने वाले हैं, ठीक है? और आपको पता है, खाने के बाद स्पेशली इफ यू आर 30+, आपको जरूर अगर मौका मिले तो विश्राम करना चाहिए। यू मस्ट टेक अ पावर नैप if you can get time after lunch. It increases your productivity and it increases your alertness. This is a research by an institute which has been created to study the effect of power nap in the America. या और ये हमारे यहाँ सदियों से चला आ रहा है कि भाई खाने के बाद 30-35 की अवस्था के बाद थोड़ा सा विश्राम करो, 20-25 मिनट लेट जाओ आंखें बंद कर, so that the body gets time to digest the food. या तो क्या करेंगे हम, ये 2-3 तरीके के प्राणायाम करने के बाद, मैं ऐसे प्राणायाम मैंने आज चूज किए हैं जिससे पहले तो आप एनर्जाइज हो जाओगे, या आपको रिलैक्स कर देंगे, and then after that I will take you into a meditation. ध्यान। अब ध्यान क्या होता है? What is meditation? Anybody would like to tell me? आप चैट बॉक्स में लिख के मुझे बताओ, what is meditation? All right, Vignesh Kumarji is saying it will be good if you keep lecture in English. I will take care of meditation. What is controlling the mind? Okay, anything else? Brain exercise, Archana is saying. Come down. Okay, working on the subconscious mind. Okay, relaxing the brain. Okay, all right. So let me tell you in simple words. Okay, meditation is first of all not concentration. I will not ask you to concentrate on some point here or anywhere in the body or on some God sitting up there. Ya Rama, Krishna, Jesus, Allah. No, I'm not asking you to concentrate on anybody. I'm going to ask you to deconcentrate. So meditation is nothing but it is the art of letting go. आप क्या करते हो? The whole day what you're doing? You are wanting to be in control. You want to control everything so that things go according to your plan. And how do you control? With the help of your mind. So even when you're sleeping, if you notice, most of us don't feel very relaxed. Yeah. Why? Because we're just resting the body. The mind is still working, and it is working over time. So the technique to rest the mind is called meditation. No, you're not even controlling the thoughts. It is just a simple technique of resting the mind. Okay? And when you learn the technique of resting the mind, you are able to activate your parasympathetic nervous system. You know what is your parasympathetic nervous system? It is the nervous system which is responsible for your secretion of the rest and digest hormone. Got it? What is the other hormone which gets secreted most of the times? Do you know? Do you want to know, first of all? Listen, I'm telling you so many things. Now you have to show me interest. Do you want to know what is the other thing which gets secreted apart from the rest and digest hormone? Type in a yes. Type in a yes. I want to know from people who want to know. Type in a yes. If you don't type in a yes, I'm not doing it. I need at least 10 yeses. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Then I'll tell you the rest of the things. Thank you so much. Okay, so, okay, I'm going to give you some symptoms. And I want you to write in if that symptom applies to you or not. Okay, tell me how many of you रात को जल्दी नींद नहीं आती, आपको करीब 12-1 तो बज ही जाते हैं, बेड पे पड़ते ही सो नहीं पाते. अगर if it is a yes, type in a yes. If it is a no, type in a no. You can't sleep immediately after going into bed. Type in a yes or a no. Okay. How many of you can sleep लेकिन सवेरे उठते हो तो fresh नहीं feel होता? You don't feel fresh. Type in a yes or no. Okay. How? So many yeses. Okay. Okay. All right. How many of you feel that you're not eating much? आप ज़्यादा खा नहीं रहे हो, but you're putting on weight in a particular part of your body. या तो पेट बढ़ रहा है, या arm round हो गए हैं, या कहीं पे ना चर्बी बढ़ गई है. How many of you feel that you're eating very little? 2 ही फुलके खा रहे हो, 2 ही रोटी खा रहे हो, but you're putting on weight. How many of you feel that? Okay. How many of you feel, a lot of yeses to that also. Okay, how many of you feel that after lunch, you always wish a cup chai, a cup coffee, yeah, one cigarette? How many of you feel that you need a cup of tea, a cup of coffee about 1 hour after lunch, yeah, half an hour after lunch? Tea or a cigarette, any external stimulant. Okay. How many of you feel कि आजकल आपकी memory बहुत diminish हो गई है, concentration span बहुत diminish हो गया है? For example, अलमारी के जाके आगे खड़े हो जाते, अरे क्या लेने आए थे, भूल गए. ऐसा कितने लोगों को होता है? Yes करो, no करो. कितने लोगों को होता है ऐसा? बहुत सारे लोगों को होता है. Okay. अगर आपको इसमें से जो भी मैंने अभी बताया, whatever I told you right now, if you have even 1 or 2 such symptoms, okay, then you have something called the adrenal fatigue. What is adrenal fatigue? On top of your kidneys, there are these 2 little glands called the adrenal glands, and they produce a hormone called the fight or flight hormone. ठीक है? ये स्ट्रेस हार्मोन अगर प्रोड्यूस नहीं हो तो आपके सामने शेर भी आ जाएगा ना, तो आप वहां से भागोगे नहीं. You will not be able to run away. It is the secretion of the stress hormone which pushes you to either fight the lion or flight, run away. So this hormone is very important. So the pre-Homo sapien days, आदि मानव के दिनों में, this hormone used to be produced 5 to 6 times in a day. Okay, But do you know how many times it is produced now? 5 to 6 times every hour. ये स्ट्रेस हार्मोन प्रोड्यूस होता है 5 से 6 बार हर घंटे में. पहले होता था पूरे दिन में 5 से 6 बार, अब होता है 5 से 6 बार पूरे घंटे में. So this overproduction of the stress hormone, what does it do? The overproduction of the stress hormone creates adrenal fatigue, stress in the body. Yes, and that does not let you sleep, does not produce the hormone which is responsible for digesting the food. It keeps your sympathetic nervous system activated. You will be always in anxiety, you will always be irritable, angry, जरा जरा सी बातों पे गुस्सा आएगा. और ये सब हार्मोनल है, ये आपकी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, ये सब अंदर से होता है. Now when you have adrenal fatigue, it will affect your thyroid. After your thyroid, it will affect your pituitary or pineal gland. Yeah, in short, अच्छा इससे पहले it affects your cholesterol level. ना कोलेस्ट्रॉल लेवल धीरे धीरे बढ़ने लगता है, इंसुलिन इंक्रीज होने लगता है, आप वेट पुट ऑन करने लगते हो, ज्यादा चर्बी आने लगती है पेट की जगह पे, इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंस बढ़ जाता है. तो ये शुरुआत होती है हमारी बीमारी. या but these are all psychosomatic diseases. What is psychosomatic? Related to your mind and your lifestyle. और इनको रिवर्स किया जा सकता है. कैसे रिवर्स करना है? With the help of activating your parasympathetic nervous system, with the help of activating your vagus nerve. Vagus nerve is the longest nerve in the body, starting from here and going right down till your spine, and it goes to each and every organ of your body. So if you're able to activate your vagus nerve, you will be able to create more rest and digest hormone. या और जहां आपका डाइजेशन बिगड़ता है, आपकी स्लीप बिगड़ती है, आप बीमारियों का घर हो जाते हैं. या ये सिस्टम समझ आ गया, ये कहां से शुरुआत हो रही है. बट द गुड न्यूज इज, मैं आपको डराना नहीं चाहती हूँ, आई एम नॉट साइकिंग यू, आई एम नॉट गेटिंग यू साइक्ड अप, बट द आइडिया इज टू अंडरस्टैंड whenever this is happening to you, and to also know that this can be reversed. These are all related to your mind and your lifestyle habits. Got it, everyone? Is it making sense, everyone? Just show me with your hands, reaction with your hands. Go to reactions and type in a thumbs up or a hand, whatever, if it is making sense to you. Yeah. All right, wonderful. Or type in a yes. Yeah. So how do I cure this? How do I reverse it? Okay. Number one, something which really helps you is getting up early in the morning and exercising, doing yoga and meditation. Number two, looking into your diet. Yeah. Number three, looking into some exercise for your lungs. Yeah. And let me just stick to this much. अगर आप इतना भी कर लोगे ना, you are done. Yes. So today I will teach you some exercise for the lungs, which if you do every day, these will really, really help you, and they energize your system and your brain, both. Okay. Then I will take you into a guided meditation. आपको क्या करना है? आपको सिर्फ मेडिटेशन के समय आपको बिल्कुल आराम से बैठना है. टेक अ बैक रेस्ट, एक लो कुशन आपके लोअर बैक को सपोर्ट करता हो. ठीक है? So shall we start? Yeah. Let's start quickly. Sit comfortably and easily with your spine erect. And if possible, do the entire session with your eyes closed. अगर इसका इम्पैक्ट ज्यादा चाहिए, पूरे सेशन में आंखें बंद रखना। आंखें सिर्फ तभी खोलना जब आपको समझ नहीं आया मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ और आप देखना चाहते हो कि मैं क्या कर रही हूँ। नहीं तो यूजुअली मेरी इंस्ट्रक्शंस बहुत क्लियर होंगी। आप आंखें बंद करके भी अगर मेरी इंस्ट्रक्शंस सुनाई दे रही हैं, आप उसको फॉलो कर पाओगे। Cool? All right. So let's close our eyes and sit. Put your left hand on your chest and your right hand on your stomach. And become aware of your breath. Aankhein band hain. Become aware of your breath. Just be observant as to what is happening to your stomach when you're breathing in, and what is happening to the stomach when you're breathing out. Or maybe nothing is happening. Just observe that first. Now with a little effort, थोड़ा सा effort डालते हुए, take a deep breath in and expand the stomach out like a balloon. Now take another deep breath in, more, expand the stomach even more. And now breathe out. Your stomach goes in. Now we will take one more breath in and expand the chest. Only the chest, not the stomach. And breathe in some more, the same breath. And then breathe out. Deflate the chest. Now we'll take the third breath in. We'll divide the whole breath into two parts, 50% for the stomach and 50% for the chest. Take a deep breath in and expand the stomach. Expand the chest. And breathe in some more, as much as you can, the same breath, as if the breath is going right till your forehead. More. Hold the breath for a second and then breathe out. Breathe out from the chest first and then from the stomach. Let's do it one more time with a little conscious effort. Breathe in, expand the stomach, expand the chest, expand some more, give your 100% and breathe in some more. Hold it and breathe out. Breathe out from the chest first and then your stomach. Let's do it one last time. Breathing in, expand your stomach. Expand your chest. And breathe in some more. Hold it. And breathe out. Deflate the chest first. And then the stomach. Relax. Bring your hands down and put it on your lap. Your palms open towards the sky. Your eyes are closed. And observe your breath. Observe each breath We'll do the second breath for the day. Keeping our eyes closed, we'll take a normal breath in and expand our lungs. And we are blowing a candle on the cake. So take a deep breath in and blow out the candle. Take another deep breath in and blow out the candle. One more time, breathing in and blow out the candle. One more time, breathing in and blow out the candle. One more time, breathing in and blow out the candle. One more time, breathing in and blow out the candle. One last time, breathing in and breathe out, blowing out the candle. Relax. Come back to normal breathing. Your eyes are closed. Palms are on your lap, open towards the sky. And observe the breath. Observe each breath going in and out. Every outgoing breath is relaxing you more and more. And every ingoing breath is energizing you completely. Let's do the last pranayama of the day. Bhramari pranayama. We'll take our index finger and put it at the cartilage outside the ear. We'll not put it inside the ears, but press the cartilage outside the ear and keep releasing it, pressing and releasing. We'll take a breath in, and when we breathe out, we make a buzzing sound and the breath is coming out and the finger is being pushed and released. Let's do it together. Keep your spine erect, your index finger pressing the cartilage outside the ears. Take a deep breath in. And while you breathe out, make a buzzing sound. One more time, breathing in. And while breathing out, make a buzzing sound and keep pressing the cartilage in and out. One more time, breathing in. This produces the nitric oxide in the nasal cavity. Let's do it one last time, breathing in. And is very good for inflammation. It treats your inflammation. And relax. Keep your eyes closed, your palms open towards the sky, on your lap. And once again, become aware of your breath. Take off your glasses. Sit comfortably and easily. Take a back rest. Take off your shoes. Do not cross your legs if you're sitting on a chair. But you can put your feet up and sit cross-legged. आलती पालती मार के बैठ सकते हैं सुखासन. spine erect, eyes closed, palms on your lap open towards the sky. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Take another deep breath in and breathe out. We'll do something similar to Yoga Nidra. So if you have place to lie down, you may lie down, or otherwise keep sitting. But the idea is to just completely relax yourself. Do not listen to the instructions intently. ज़्यादा कान लगा के instructions को follow नहीं करना है. Listen to it with as if music is falling on your ears. Take another deep breath in and breathe out. Relax your feet. Relax your right leg. Relax your left leg. Relax your abdomen, stomach and chest. Loosen it up, relax it. Relax your right shoulder and your right arm. Left shoulder and your left arm. Relax your neck muscles. Relax all your facial muscles, your lips, your cheeks, your eyes, your eyelids, your eyebrows, your forehead, the top of your head. Relax your entire body. Your entire body. Your entire body. For the next few moments, I want nothing. For the next few moments, I do nothing. For the next few moments, I am nothing. कुछ क्षणों के लिए मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए. कुछ क्षणों के लिए मुझे कुछ नहीं करना है. कुछ क्षणों के लिए मैं कुछ नहीं हूं. Drop all efforts, mental and physical, and completely repose in the self. मानसिक और शारीरिक सभी चेष्टाएं छोड़ के पूर्ण रूप से सिर्फ विश्राम करें. Relax more and more. और विश्राम, गहरा विश्राम. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Another deep breath in and breathe out. Become aware of your legs once again. Become aware of your torso once again. Becoming aware of your face. You take another deep breath in and breathe out. And very gently becoming aware of our body and surrounding. We taking our time, open our eyes. Take your time to not be in a hurry. अपना समय लेते हुए धीरे से आंखें खोलें. Take your time to not be in a hurry. I can't see you. Anyways, I hope you've opened your eyes. So a very good morning. And I request everybody to tell me how you felt while you were doing this. Just write in the chat box how you are feeling, how's the state of your mind right now. Calm. Thank you. मैं कहीं और चली गई. Body, mind is relaxed. Really liked your energy. Very calm and relaxed. Relaxed. Very calm now and refreshed. Relaxed. Relaxed. Feeling good. Nice. Anything else anyone felt? And whatever I said today, is there anything that you are taking back with you which has made you think that you want to take back home with you? Can you just put that also on the chat box? Hey, Raju is saying feeling relaxed. What are you taking back today from this session? I would like to know that first before I open the floor for Q&A. I'll do this 3 pranayam daily. Okay, very nice. Thank you. Feeling good, Ashutosh is saying. Anything else? Anyone? Please share. It will be really nice to share. Mental health is very important. We need to take care of it. Yes, absolutely. Absolutely. Plan to practice every day. Yes, absolutely. You must. You must. Okay, with that, Shilpa, I open the floor for Q&A. If you have any questions, please let me know.
Thank you so much for such a refreshing session. So participants, if you have any questions, you can ask her.
Can they be allowed to unmute and ask me, or do they have to write in the chat box?
They can unmute also and they can type in also.
Yeah, they can unmute themselves. Yeah.
Yes. So Dr. Amin is asking, what is the best time to do
any
this
time
exercise?
of the day, Dr. Amin. Only it should be not on a full stomach. Yeah, today I made you do especially the breathing part, but today's breathing part was just involving the lungs, so that's okay. And the meditation part also, which I made you do, was like a yoga nidra. So this also you can do any time of the day, whenever needed. This will just actually recharge you and alert you, make you very alert.
Okay. So Archana ji is asking, I'm unable to take breath deeply. Maybe due to that, I'm gaining weight and not being relaxed. Can you suggest something?
Archana ji, I would really suggest you learn the Ujjayi breath, because Ujjayi breath helps you to optimize your lung capacity. And it, normally we are breathing just through the first two lobes of the lungs. We are doing shallow breathing all the time. And the weight loss, the secret of weight loss is in the third lobe. So you are right. That's the reason why you might be putting on weight. So it's good that you learn your Ujjayi breath, which we teach in the Sudarshan Kriya program, which I take. And somebody is also asking for a video lecture link. Just follow me on Instagram and, at Atika Dhandia. And just do a pranayam course, a meditation course for 3 to 4 days. It is just for 2 hours every day. Equip yourself with the right techniques the right way. Yeah. So the first thing that happens when you lose weight, through the pranayama, when you are doing proper pranayama, the first thing that will happen is your weight will go down because of the stress that you had accumulated. It filters out. That goes out of your system and you will lose weight. Yeah, so try this. Anything else?
Yes, Dr. Namitosh is asking, chanting is also type of meditation?
No, chanting is not meditation. When you're chanting, once you finish chanting, when you're sitting with your eyes closed, then you might slip into meditation. But while you are chanting, it is not meditation. Okay?
So Dr. Amin is giving a suggestion, I think. On your stomach, MIT and WHO guidelines are there for COVID-19 patients. Coughing will improve breathing as well.
Yes, you're right. So there, where our lungs are, Dr. Amin, they are not here. The 2/3 of our lungs are at the back. So when you lie down like this, which is called pronal breathing, if you lie down on your stomach, your lungs are exposed more. And then when you breathe, they are filled with oxygen more. And that's why the importance of sitting like this upright and then breathing in and out. So it will really help. It increases the oxygen capacity by 5 to 10%, 20% sometimes. At least you can take care of the patient right away if the oxygen concentrator is not available. So this has been so useful to everybody during these past few months, the pronal breathing. So yes, you're right. And coughing improves breathing as well. Yes, it helps to clear the lungs sometimes. So it might help for a shorter duration.
So Archana ji is saying that even if she laughs loudly, she'll get cough. Even if she eats ghee, then also she gets cough.
So, first of all, just get yourself checked first. There might, this cough is maybe due to some other factor also. Yeah, it might be related to lungs or your thyroid. So get yourself checked. Yes, there is some micronutrient which is not okay. So you need to get a thorough checkup done, and don't go to some general physician. There are special doctors who are more they ask you to do a thorough checkup, and they ask you to do a thorough checkup of all the vitamins and minerals that are there in the body, and they will be able to pointedly tell you if there is anything missing in you. Yeah. So go for somebody like that who can help you. Yes, they don't believe in medicine. So they'll give you some supplements, they'll give you some organic breathing techniques which will help you. Yeah.
Okay, so Neha Nanda is asking, my mind remains active all the time and distracts easily. Can you suggest something, please?
So this is what requires meditation, guys. Like, as I said, the whole day, you're in so much control all the time that your mind is constantly working. Okay, you're having so many thoughts. Yeah. The resting of the mind, if you learn a technique to rest the mind, that is meditation. So even if you can learn the technique of meditation and which are able to rest your mind for say about 1 or 2 minutes, that will go a long way in resting your digestive system, improving your stress levels, everything. So what you need, Neha ji, is that you need to learn how to breathe out the stress and rest the mind, which is meditation. That's the only way you will get this mind to rest, and this active mind to rest.
Any other questions? Yeah. Yeah, I think Rajni ji is saying that she has thyroid. So
yeah, so can it be reversed? So if you're already on L-Troxin and all for a long time, then you might not be able to reverse it, but definitely you can decrease the amount of medicine that you're taking just through making some lifestyle changes, through the right breathing, yoga postures, and meditation. Yes, it is possible. Yeah, you have to make major changes in your lifestyle and it'll be happen. And they're all healthy changes. It's not that, you'll miss out on life a lot. No, they are healthy changes which will impact everybody who's there in the house. For example, just throw away your white sugar from the kitchen. Do not use maida every single day. All these are things which are interconnected to your thyroid and stuff. Yeah. So make some healthy lifestyle changes and you'll go a long way.
So Mahima is our student and she's asking how to get rid of overthinking and anxiety.
The human mind is a monkey mind. Remember that. The nature of the mind is to go from one thought to the other thought, to one thought to the other thought all the time. To make it sit, you need the help of one tool which the nature has given us, and that is your breath. You have to learn to work with your breath. Your breath is the only link which connects this outer world of activity, which is the body, to this inner world of silence, which is the mind. So this world of activity, which is the body, can be connected to this mind only with the help of the breath. So when you start doing breath work regularly, when you start doing pranayama regularly, then you start relaxing the mind more and more and more. And then you see your anxiety, you will know what to do when you're anxious. Yeah, you just be able to, you'll have that practical tip at hand to do when you're very anxious and not feeling very clear and you're having a foggy mind. You'll know what to do. Yeah. So you need to do these 2-3 pranayams. I'll tell you, Brahmari pranayam will really help you. Okay. Even the complete yogic breath, which I taught you, filling your lung first, then your chest, and then breathing out, deflating the chest first, and then the stomach. That will also really help you. So both these 2 of them you can do. And if you want to increase your lung capacity, the smoker's pranayam, which I just taught you, the blowing the candle or blowing through your straw pranayam. That will also help you to strengthen the lungs. So all these three, start practicing, Mahima, and you will see the difference.
I think that is all. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for taking out time from your busy schedule.
Thank you, Shilpa.
So as I told you, she's an international faculty, so she keeps on taking courses. I'm glad that you could make it today. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Shilpa. Bye, everyone. Take care. Be
Thanks
good.
a lot, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
So dear participants, we will be having the online test, which will start at 3:30. A link will be shared on WhatsApp as well as on your mails. And the duration is 45 minutes. After that, it will be turned off. So make sure you submit by 4:15, and then we'll be having our valedictory session at 4:30.